G'day, Tomo here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about thermostats and why they have two different types available at Minisport. Essentially, a thermostat is a valve that enables the engine coolant temperature to get to operating temperature as quickly and efficiently as possible. Now, why is that important? Simply because an engine that is warm is more fuel efficient than an engine that is cold. Why do they have two different temperatures available in the thermostats at Minisport? Simply because in the cooler months, you want your engine to run that little bit warmer. That way you can get it up there a little bit higher and allow that heat to come through and to circulate into the cabin and warm you up. But also it is better for the engine to run a little bit warmer during the cooler months. Now, what about in the hotter months? You want that to run a little bit cooler as well. So it's important to make sure that depending on the climate that you're in, whether you live down under where it's 35 to 48 degrees during summer, or whether you live on the other side of the world where it is quite cool and the complete opposite. So depending what you need to do with the vehicle, they do have different ones available, and it is advised to make sure you change these during the season. So if you know it's going to be warm coming up into summer, it's best to change it. They're only worth a couple of dollars. Or if it's going to be cold, you just want to run it that little bit warmer. So depending on what you need to do and where you live in the world, it is important to make sure you run the right thermostat depending on where you live. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please check out the full range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you again on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.